is never forgotten. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Pakistan Zindabad. For me, however, these reforms, as I just said, are not merely administrative decisions. Every reform, as I said, carries a memory. Every policy has a human story behind it. My story, my own story of thousands. Every improvement reminds me of something I witnessed or experienced myself firsthand. I introduced emergency call buttons across Punjab and alarm bells, panic buttons inside prison cells throughout Punjab. Today, every prison cell is equipped with these emergency systems so that no inmate is ever left without a way to call for immediate assistance. And the assistance comes. When someone calls for help, help must arrive. Human life cannot wait behind locked doors. A prison sentence should never mean abandonment, including my opponents, regardless of the offense they've committed, should be deprived of basic respect, of basic dignity, of basic cleanliness, of basic facilities. We have made sanitation, clean washrooms, proper ventilation, better accommodation, and access to essential hygiene supplies a priority. For women inmates in particular, Excellencies, hygiene products are not just a privilege. They are a constitutional right and a matter of basic human dignity. For someone behind bars, ladies and gentlemen, a meeting with loved ones is not merely a visit. It is often the reminder that life continues beyond prison walls. My daughter, my youngest daughter, who has just finished her graduation, was only 13 years old then. And I remember every time she used to walk into the meeting room, she used to leave crying. And as a mother, I know that every mother sitting here, every woman sitting here would identify with that. It was a very difficult time. Prisons also taught me the pain of separation in its cruelest form. While both my father and I were in the same prison, both times, my mother became seriously ill. For days, neither of us could speak to her. We could not sit beside her, hold her hand, or comfort her in her final moments. She left this world while we remained behind prison walls. Today is her birthday, Your Honor, and it reminds me of what she used to say. She used to say in Punjabi, या राह पे आ जाने या वाह पे आ जाने, जिस पे गुजरती है वही जानता है. And she used to also say, जिस तन लागे सो तन जाने. And that led to this, to introduce technology-driven systems, including online appointment facilities for prison visits, structured telephone access, video call services that is now available to every prisoner across Punjab, irrespective of his or her status. Across Punjab, prisons have witnessed significant improvements in visitation facilities, family interaction areas, transport arrangements, and modern audio and video communication systems. At the same time, we have undertaken an ambitious program of infrastructure development, new correctional facilities, additional barracks, specialized Borstal institutions for juvenile offenders, dedicated correctional facilities for women, modern training institutions are being established to reduce overcrowding and create a safer, more dignified environment for everyone living and working inside our prisons. Libraries are being enriched with updated books, educational resources, literature, and learning materials that encourage personal growth, flight of fancy, and intellectual development. When I looked around the prison, Excellencies, and my dear lordships, I realized that too many inmates were defined only by their conviction. I wanted our correctional system to see something more. Every prisoner remains a human being with the capacity to learn, to change, and to rebuild a meaningful life. That belief has shaped my reform agenda. We have also revitalized prison industries so that inmates can learn productive trades while contributing meaningfully to economic activity. By connecting these industries with modern marketing platforms and digital marketplaces, we are creating genuine opportunities for rehabilitation, and every prisoner must be given a genuine opportunity to return to society as a better citizen than when they entered. Healthcare is another lesson prison has taught me. And therefore, Government of Punjab has made healthcare one of the cornerstones of prison reforms. Through the Chief Minister's Prisoners Health Programme, comprehensive screening and treatment systems have been introduced for communicable diseases, mental health conditions, and substance use disorders. Jail hospitals are being upgraded, and partnerships with leading hospitals and healthcare institutions have been strengthened to ensure professional medical supervision and continuity of care. Punjab has embraced digital transformations to make prison administration more transparent, accountable, and efficient. Digitization of prisoner records, biometric verification systems, as you saw in the video, integration with national database, and the Safe Jails Punjab project are strengthening governance while enhancing the safety of inmates, prison staff, and visitors alike simultaneously. As we move forward, my dear lordships, we continue to look forward to the superior judiciary, not only as an institutional partner, but also as a source of guidance and inspiration. Judiciary's steadfast commitment to safeguarding constitutional rights and protecting human dignity provides the moral compass for all of us engaged in public service. Together, we can build a correctional system that protects society while respecting the dignity of every individual entrusted to the care of the state. Our vision is clear, Excellencies. Prisons must no longer be a place where hope dies. They must become places where lives can begin, places where education replaces ignorance, where skills replace dependency, where rehabilitation replaces despair, where accountability is balanced with compassion, where justice is strengthened by mercy. Every reform we have introduced is rooted in one simple principle, and that is human dignity. May Allah the Almighty guide us in our collective endeavor to build a correctional system that reflects the highest values of our Constitution, protects the dignity of every individual, and strengthens the foundation of justice in Pakistan. May He grant us the wisdom to ensure that every prison becomes a place where reform is possible, hope is restored, and humanity